Hey guys, just wanted to make a video on how to use the yfinance API to pull specific information from a specific ticker. So first thing we're going to do is, if you haven't already, go down here to the terminal or the terminal wherever it is in your IDE and do pip install yfinance. Once you have that done, we can go up here to the top, import yfinance as yf. And then we are going to make a symbol, or we are going to make a variable called symbol. And we're going to set this equal to the string value of whatever ticker symbol we want. So in this case, I'm going to do Microsoft, and the ticker symbol is MSFT. So I'm going to do all caps MSFT there. And then to get the data from that, I'm going to name this variable MSFT, set it equal to yf, and then we're going to use the ticker method, and then the value that we're going to put into that ticker method is symbol. So we're plugging in Microsoft into the yfinance API using the ticker method here, and I'm going to print Microsoft and Control S and run this. And so it's just going to show you that it's an object, so we know this is a object. So to pull values from this object, we are going to make another variable here called MSFT, and then we're going to put a dot, and you can see the first thing that pulls up here is info. So we're going to use this to get the info from Microsoft. So I'm going to name this variable Microsoft info and set it equal to msft.info. So we're using the .info to get information from this object here. So now I'm going to print that, print msft info, control save, and we're going to run that. So now that we run that, we can see it prints out this object. So it's a very long object. We're not going to be able to see all the key value pairs here. So to be able to see all the key value pairs, what we're going to do is we are going to make a for loop. So we're going to do for key, comma, value in Microsoft info. And since it's an object, to be able to get all the items from the object, we're going to use a Python method dot items. And then we're going to put brackets and put a colon. Now we're going to go enter. Now to print all these key value pairs, we are going to do print and make a f string, and then do curly brackets key colon space curly brackets value. So now this is going to print all of the key value pairs on separate lines. So I'm going to play this or run this. Now you can see what happened is we got all of this information. Symbol, Microsoft, quote type, equity. We have a bunch of other information, book value, short ratio, currency, bid size, bid ask, beta. So if we want to get a specific item from this, let's say we want the beta. So I'm going to make a variable called beta and set this equal to Microsoft info. And then we are going to do square brackets and then put beta here. So beta is the key in the key value pair. And so now if we print, let's do print, do another f string and say the beta is, and then curly brackets beta. So now when we run this, we're going to get all that information we got before, and we have at the end here the beta is 0.904. So that's kind of a good way that we can get info using the ticker method here in yfinance for a specific stock.